misfire in the car because it leans out just by like 0.2 or 3 AFRs, and the reason why it is a little bit rich is because I have an exhaust leak. My O2 sensor on my manifold is stripped, and I need to fix that. So yeah, that'll be another video. Alright, so now we're at the car here. The injectors are right there, and they're on the driver's side. And then one right there, and one back there on the passenger side. So I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna wing it and see what gets in my way. I'm gonna take the window washer fluid out here. It looks like there's brackets in my way as well, so I'm gonna have to take these bolts out, and hopefully that will clear up some room to get to these injectors. A little plastic bracket. Alright. There's the connector. All that we should need to do, there's just a Torx. Oh yeah, right there. Right there. I don't know what Torx it is. Okay, so my car is special. These are not the same. So this injector over here has a T25 Torx, and this one actually has a Phillips 2 head on it. So I don't know why that is. It must have been sometime when they changed the injectors. I don't know, but that sucks. Oh, at least I figured that out now. Alright. So you guys obviously saw the last clip there. She had to run to a Canadian Tire to get a bolt extractor. Let's hope it works. Let's see. Yeah, we'll get right in there. Assuming you can see. Alright, clearly you saw the extractor screw things didn't work. We're gonna try this little socket here. Oh, yeah, there you go. So it's literally like a drill bit reversed on the inside of a socket. You put it in reverse. I think we got it, boys. I think we got it. Oh, she's coming out. Okay. How did you do that? Oh, okay, that comes out. Yep. What does the injector look like inside? There's no prongs or nothing, right? No. Should Okay, so this is attached to your block. Yeah, the fuel rail thing.
Fuel rail, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, snap. All right, we got it. Freaking get that going. So, take your cap off of the old injector, put it on the new one. Grab your super lube. Yeah, and get these O-rings nice and wet. Yeah. Okay, see. There you go.
Oh, I got you.
We'll get some light. Ooh. If you guys don't want to use a super lube, you can actually use oil as well if you want. You don't want your O-rings to be dry. It's the last thing you want. Alright. Stuff her in there. Don't force it, because that'd be bad. Okay, I guess she sits in there. Sits in there like that.
You sure it's in?
I feel like once we get this clip on there, she'll make her sit.
Up here.
Is it? Alright. So this should fit in there. Yeah, she's not seated. I think it'd be easier. Oh, we're stuck. We're stuck. Okay, yeah, we'll try and. There we go. Perfect. Now she's in. Perfect. All right, bolt. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah, look how snug that is.
Perfect.
All right, you take the T25 Torx bit. Don't use anything else or you'll strip it and you'll have a problem like I did. All right, so hand tight, obviously, at first, so you don't cross-thread it. That'd be the last thing you want. All right, got her all torqued up there. And take your frickin' plug her in. Boom, injector done. So next injectors, somewhere there, somewhere, right there. So there, and then, yeah, you already seen what we did.
Let's plug things back in over here.
Oh yeah. All right. So got all the injectors hooked up, torqued down, snug. Don't over tighten them because you will strip the threads. Don't do that. Put everything back on that side. Take the intake off. Maybe the coolant reservoir because you might need that. And yeah, same thing over there. Alright guys, got everything back together. So on this side, I had to take the whole intake off. I got to put that thing back on. Make sure you take off your coolant reservoir here, and there's a bracket right under it. There's a bolt under on this side and on the back side near the turbo there. You have to take that bracket off in order to get that injector off on that side. And yeah, other than that, do the same thing on all four and your injectors are done. So let's get this thing tuned. Record? Okay, cool. So, changing our map here. We'll reflash. And we'll go stage 2 personal tune because that's what I put on the new injectors here. And yeah. Cool. Sure, we'll try it. That's all we need. Okay. This better work. Oh, we almost had her.
What was that sound?
That's my starter.
test drive this and make sure